Starting the Beetle up. It's been sitting for a while. Hosed it off a little. And we'll see if it'll move down the road a little bit. It's got something wrong with the clutch. It chatters around it when you first take off. But after you drive it a little bit, it kind of smooths out. Oops. So, let's do a run. See how it does. Me and the Beetle. And a couple of these, which I'm gonna have to clean that one off. It's getting a little dusty. I gotta clean it, check it out, take it out. It's been sitting all winter. And this one's my son's. He's been running his a little bit now, taking it to work. Alright, let's see what this Beetle can do. A lot of dust out here. People everywhere, dogs. Stop here, I've got to go. Thank you for doing that. Yeah, we got to figure out what that chatter is. Something with the clutch. Don't know what. It's always something with something. Yeah, did it. Rode it around for a while. It was pretty nice. I mean, it definitely needs the clutch work. But it's a cool little car. People always smile and wave.